Hi my dear friends, this is Dr. Raj Mohammed. In this video I am going to explain a research score for research paper, how they are calculating for our research paper score for API. Okay, the research score for research papers would be augmented as follows. If our paper is published in a peer-reviewed journal or UGC listed journals with impact factor to be determined as per Thomson-Reuters list. If our research paper is published in peer-reviewed journal or UGC listed journals or referred journals without impact factor, you will get only 5 points. Okay, so many people know, or I don't know how many people know the impact factor. So I can explain here in a simple manner that it's a scientometric index that reflects the yearly average number of citations that articles published in the last 2 years in a given journal received. It means there is a separate formula for the calculation of the impact factor. They will take average number of citations and average number of publications. Citation means it's a source or reference to a source, which is called as citation. Okay, I hope you would understand in a simple manner. Or if your paper is published with impact factor with less than 1, you will get 10 points. If your paper is published with impact factor between 1 to 2, you will get 15 points. Okay, if your paper is published with high impact factor, between 2 to 5, so you will get 20 points. It means if the journal is having high impact factor, automatically you will get more points. If the journal is having less impact factor, automatically you would get less points. Okay, so if your paper is published with impact factor between 5 to 10, so you will get 25 points. If your paper is published with impact factor more than 10, you will get 30 points because the impact factor is more. If the journal is having more impact factor, automatically you will get high points. Okay, so my dear friends, it is better to submit your papers to high impact factor journals only. Whenever you are going to publish your paper, so you have to observe the index, citation and impact factor of that particular journal. If that journal is having high impact factor, so you can submit your paper and publish your paper in that particular journal only. If the journal is having less impact factor, automatically you will get very less points. Please observe this. Okay, and if a paper is published by more than one author or two authors, in that case, so there may be 70% of total value of publication for each author. It means both will get 70% of the total value of. Okay, if the paper is published more than two authors, it means three authors or four authors. In that case, 70% of the total value of publication for the first or principal or corresponding author, and 30% of the total value of publication for each of the joint authors. It means the first author will get highest weightage and third and fourth author will get very less weightage marks or less points. Okay, if it is a joint project, it means more than one person, either principal investigator or co-investigator, so they may be get the equal points because investigator and co-investigator would get 50% each. It means there is no discrimination between the principal investigator and co-investigator. It means both will get the same points. Okay, paper presented if a part of edited book or proceedings, it can be claimed only once. It means your paper is published in the conference, proceedings or edited book, so you have to claim only once. Okay, for joint supervision of research, students, in that case the formula shall be 70% of the total score for supervisor and co-supervisor. Means supervisor also will get same weightage and co-supervisor also will get the same weightage of the points. Okay, supervisor and co-supervisor will get both 7 marks for each. Okay, the next category is for the purpose of calculating a research score of a teacher. Combined research score from the category of, it means policy documents category. Okay, these policy documents are submitted to either international organizations like UNESCO or WTO or IMF or central government or any other funding agencies. So you will get some points. But the another important category is invited lectures and resource person or paper presentation shall have on upper capping of 30% of the total research score of the teacher concerned. It means in this category you will get only 30% of the total API score. You don't get total API score in this categories. So there is a capping for 30%. Okay, please observe this. Thank you very much for listening this video, and I hope it is better to share all your faculty members so they maybe get some benefit and they may understand the how they are calculating the research score for publications. Okay, and please subscribe my channel and share it, like it, and if you have any queries please comment on the section. Please refer my channel to your students. So there are many videos are available related to current affairs and to history, service matters and career opportunities, jobs and other important interesting topics. Okay, please refer to my channel to all your students also, and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you one and all.